Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Now today I want us to look on questions on indices that were tested in Kcse. I have 4 questions here. I want us to solve them quickly. Now let's look at the first question. Given that root 3 9 power 4 is equals to 3 power n, find the value of n. The question is, number 1, root 3 9 power 4 is equals to 3 power n. Now the first thing that you need to know is that when we have a root 3, basically means power a third. Just like when it is a square root, it basically means power a half. Now it will be 9. Now this one to base 3, it will be 3 power 2, right? Into bracket 4 root 3 is equals to 3 power n. The first step. Second step is this root 3 basically means power a third. Now it will be 3 power 8 is a third is equals to 3 power n. Since we have the bases as 3, 3, we cancel them out. Now it will be n will be equal to 8 out of 3, which is equals to 2 whole number 2 over 3, and that is the value of n. Very simple. The first thing is you express this one to base 2, that is to base 3, I mean 3 power 2 into 4, that's 3 power 8. Root 3 basically means power a third, 8 over 3. The bases are same on both sides, they cancel. Now n is equals to 8 over 3, which means n is equals to 2 whole number 2 over 3. Now next question, question number 2. It says we have the equation as, solve the equation 8x plus 1 minus 2 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. Now how can we solve a problem of such nature? The first thing is, let's express this on this side to the same base, to base 2. This 8 to base 2, it will be 2 power 3. It will be 2 power 3 into bracket x plus 1 minus 2 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. Open the bracket. 2 power 3x plus 3 minus 2 power 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. From there, initially, class 2 power 3x plus 3, how did it came first before it was like this? We can say before this one, we were having 2 bases, right? Because we were having base 2 with 3x, right? We were also having times to base 2, which was having 3. And therefore, because the bases were same and the sign was multiplication, we retained the base as 2. We retained the base as 2 and we added the powers. Now, for us to solve this problem, we need to separate the bases into their original form. That will be 2 power 3x times 2 power 3 minus. Now this one, it is a subtraction. For example, it was 2 power 3 divided by 2x divided by 1. Now these bases were same, right? The power was 3x minus 1. Now we can say 2 power 3x minus, divided by 2 power 1 is equals to 120. Now, because you have 2 power 3, 2 power 3 here, we can just use an unknown value to represent 2 power 3x. Now let's say let p be 2 power 3x. 2 power 3x. Now it will be p, 2 power 3 is 8, right? 8 minus. This one will be p out of 2. Basically divided by 2 basically means is equals to 120. Now it will be 80p minus p over 2 is equals to 120. Now how can we remove the denominator? Basically we say multiply through by 2. It will be 16p. It will be 16p minus p is equals to 240. Now it will be 15p is equals to 240. Divided by 15. Divided by 15. Now p is equals to 240 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Now it will be 16. 16. Now come back again. You said p was equals to 2 power 3x. Now p is 16. 16 to base 2. 2 power 4. Now it will be 2 power 3x is equals to p, which is 2 power 4. Now it will be The bases are same, they cancel out. 3x is equals to 4 divided by 3 divided by 3. X is equals to 4 out of 3, or x is equals to one whole number 1 over 3. That problem solved, and it was having 4 marks. And that is how we solve a problem like that. Let's go to the next problem. The next problem, question number 3, very simple question number 3. You can do it quickly here. We can quickly do it over here. Now question number 3 says, solve for x. We have 25x, 25 power x minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 500. Now this one to base 5, it will be 5 power 2x minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equals to 500. As I told you earlier, when we have one base, subtraction or addition, initially if it was a subtraction, it was division, and the bases were separate, right? Now it will be 5 power 2x minus 5 power 2x divided by 5 power 1 is equals to 500. Now from there, let's say, which letter can we use? Let y be 5 power 2x. Now it will be, whenever you see 5 power 2x, you replace it with y. Now it will be y minus y out of 5 is equals to 500. Now come here again. Now how can we solve this quickly? We multiply through by the denominator. The denominator is 5. It will be 5y minus y. 5y minus y is equals to 500. Now it will be 4y is equals to 500 divided by 4. Divided by 4. No, not 500 times 5, it will be 2500. 2500. 500 times 5, it will be 2500. So divided by 4. It is 625. So y is equals to 625. Is it complete? No. You come back again. You said 5 power 2x. You said 5 power 2x is equal to what? This one. Now 625 to base 5, it will be 625 to base 5 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. It is 5 power 4. It will be 5 power 2x is equals to y. And our y here is 625. 625 to base 5 is 5 power 4. It will be 5 power 2x is equals to 5 power 4 is equals to 5 power 4. The bases are the same, cancel them. 2x is equals to 4 divided by 2 divided by 2. So x is equals to 2. You can prove this one by putting it in the equation. 525 power 2 is 625, right? Minus 5 power 2 times 2, 4. 5 power 3 is 125. So 625 minus 125, that is 500. And our value of x is 2. Let's go to the last one and the final one, which says P, which says last one and the final one. P power 3 times Q. P power 3 times Q power 1 is equals to 189. The first thing you need to know is you need to find the prime factors of 189. Now come here and do it very quickly. 189 divided by 3, it is 63. Divided by 3, it is 21. Divided by 3, it is 771. Now it will be P power 3 times Q power 1 is equals to 3 power 3 times 7 power 1. Now you look at the ones which correspond to one another. P power 3 correspond to 3 power 3, and therefore P is equals to 3. Q power 1 correspond to 7 power 1. Now Q is equals to 7. Now that is the end of our mathematical problem. Like for us, the areas you want us to do on mathematics, we will work on them. Thank you very much and have a blessed and a prosperous week. With you here is Teacher Muhyiddin Khalif, who will make your academic goals be realistic. And you will thank me later once you dive, navigate, and delve into our educational channel meant to demystify concept. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.